Hi, folks. It's Dr. Don. It's almost 8:15 p.m. Friday night, and I thought I would check in with you. I'm still struggling with the doggone bronchitis, throat stuff, and walking pneumonia, but I'm directionally correct, so I'll be okay. But I wanted to share with you some thoughts. I've been really pushing the school to find a way to help students learn how to use AI ethically and properly so they'll be better prepared for the work situation, which is going to expect most of you, if you're in the business world, to have developed AI skills. And one key to doing that is having access to the pro level plans. I'm just going to generically call them the pro level. You can get free plans, but the free plans for most of the tools are limited in the number of interactions you can have or the bells and whistles you have. Right now, and these windows open and close a lot, both Google, who has Gemini, and Microsoft, who has CoPilot, have opened up an opportunity for you to get the pro level of those two plans free for a year. And you should know, again, when you sign up, that they defer all the monthly charges, but there's the automatic renew that's triggered. So at the end of the 12 months, if you don't want those plans to pay for them, get in there and unselect the auto renew. But for the next 12 months, which is very helpful, and who knows what's going to be available 12 months from now, these two pro level plans are free, and those are the levels that you need to really get the most out of. For example, in the 431 course, Business 431, using Excel CoPilot CoPilot Pro level. The naming conventions are terrible on these things. Inside Excel, which would really help you do the kinds of things we do in that class. And in the 231 class and other classes, getting the pro level there will help you very much with GitHub has a Copilot version that works inside the software that we use, Posit Cloud. And also, of course, Gemini has versions with the Pro that work inside Excel. So getting these pro levels for students, again, is important. What I did, every so often, I will go to a couple of the chats, and that's what I've got here. And I just ask that question, what's the status, so to speak, about getting the free pro level? This one is about Gemini, and I always ask that question, do they need a .edu email? Because currently Accenture doesn't give students that. And in this particular discussion, it says, yes, you can get Gemini Pro right now, the premium level, Google One, all kind of details there. Again, 12 months free, which gives you storage and all the other things that might be very helpful. You don't have to have a .edu. You can sign up with your personal email account, and you go to the process on the Google One student page. I'll put the link in the announcement so you can get there. When I click on it, it tells me, dummy, you already have a pro level. So I can't actually show you this student page very easily. And again, I've asked that question, do you need .edu? No, you don't. And it gives you information here. I'll try to share this chat in as well. And again, it reminds us about click off the auto renew at the end of the year so you don't pay the fee unless you want to. You know, it's $19.99 now. Maybe the prices have gone up and you will be grandfathered in with a cheaper price. But anyway, put that in your calendar to check on. And it gives you the steps here. I'll again put these in the announcement. It tells you what you've got to do here. Google doesn't require .edu, and they use one of the Share ID, I think it's called, or something there, Share ID, to verify, and it will if you had a .edu, it would approve you right away. But if you don't, then you got to upload a image of your student ID, your schedule, tuition, transcript, current classes, whatever, some documentation, and it takes about 2 days. Then you activate it. That on this is what I'll post here. Going down here, I asked him about Microsoft. Somewhere there it is, and it turns out that Microsoft has a new CoPilot Pro announcements. Microsoft's websites are really a mess. Some pages will tell you one thing, some the other. I'll put the link here to this announcement that just came out where they're telling you that you can get the 365 12 months and the Pro level. Again, they change the name of CoPilot all the time. CoPilot Base, CoPilot Pro, CoPilot Super Agent, whatever. It's the advanced version that is really helpful. And this is the post by the LinkedIn Consumer Marketing. This thing with Microsoft gives you the LinkedIn Pro as well. So that will help you if you're looking for a job, thrown in with a Microsoft version. So both of these are good deals. I would get both if I were you, if you can afford that. Well, they're both free get them both and then use them. And I'll provide the link. Again, I apologize about this wandering all over the place. It's just an opportunity. I think you need to be learning how to use these two tools. In the business school for students, every student in the business world needs to know how to use Excel. And now you need to know how to use CoPilot Pro or Advanced inside Excel to be as productive as you need to be in your job. The Gemini version of the advanced tool, in my humble opinion, is a whole lot better than CoPilot Pro for a lot of things, particularly academic research. And I'll have a video about Notebook LM, that's the Google, that is just a super duper thing you need to be using for your studies. That'll be another one. I'm rambling here. I apologize. I hope you can understand this gravelly voice, and I'll post some more information in the announcement. Have a good weekend.